Hello and welcome to this tutorial, another in a series that is designed to get you familiar with the report wizard. In this version, we are going to look at the report wizard and the training history option for running reports. So I'm going to navigate to the cog and open my report wizard. Remember, you must be logged in as administrator to do this. And then I'm going to click create report. You'll remember that another screen will open. I've just done a little resizing here to get this ready to go. And from this long list of different types of reports, we're going to talk about this time the training history. You're going to give the report ID and report name. I've gone ahead and done that with no spaces for the report ID, and the report name is last attempted date. I'm going to run a report that shows courses accessed for a particular period of time. And I'm doing that by using the training history, and the columns I'm going to choose will be under module properties. I want to select the module ID and the module title. So here's module ID, module title. Under online module, there are several options on how you can report back. You could run on completion date or the any of these options, completion status, that sort of thing. But I just want to know attempted date. I feel like this gives me a good idea of who's been accessing the online modules, the e-learning modules in my LMS. So this report is going to give us back the module ID, the title, and the last attempted date of that particular, of all the modules actually. I'm going to click grouping, and I want to use grouping this time. I'm going to have it grouped by last attempted date. That way I'll get a count of the last attempted dates listed, and I'll get an idea of which courses have been attempted in the time frame that I'm going to specify. You may remember order. I want the module ID title, that's fine, but if I didn't like this, I could drag and drop. This will be the order it comes out in my report. And now for the filters. The filters are going to be slightly different this time. Remember, I'm going to do this by date, so I'm going to go down to online modules and I'll see last attempted date, and I want it for the entire year of last year, so it's going to be greater than January 1st, 2015, and I'm going to add that. Click the add button. But I also want it to be just a report for last year, so I'm going to add another filter, and that would be under module ID here. Sorry, let me find this. Okay, I found the correct one, and it's going to be less than the last day of last year, which would be December 2015 on the 31st. So now when I run this report, and I'm clicking save again, I should get a list of all the course attempts for last year, and it should have a count of how many times that course was attempted last year. So I'm actually going to just run this in the browser so we can see it. And this, of course, is a, as you know, demo account, and it doesn't have a lot of action. But we can see that at least 6 people attempted to get into the Speaks course. And now we know what the most popular attempted courses are, which is very useful. You can, of course, send this out to an Excel document, and once you create it, remember, it will always be there, but if you click, you need to click refresh to see. So there it is, last attempted date. If you have any questions, please email support@lingos.org, and appreciate your time watching this tutorial.